Welcome to 2092 Second Avenue. This serene setting is along the mighty Rogue River in the heart of Southern Oregon. More than just a home, this waterfront property provides the perfect balance of both relaxation and entertainment, creating memories to last a lifetime. The fenced and gated property offers privacy, while the viewing deck provides views up and down the river. The 1,800 square foot home sits just feet from the river, with walls of windows along the south side of the home to take in those river views. Featuring an open design, the living room flows into the kitchen with an island breakfast bar and stainless steel appliances. One side of the home features the master suite with tiled shower and walk-in closet. The other side of the home includes 2 guest bedrooms, 1 full guest bathroom, and a large bonus room ideal for a home office or separate living area. Through French doors, the living room exits to an expansive covered deck. This alluring space overlooks the rolling lawn, garden, and river below. The lush landscape includes raised garden beds and a vine trellis that leads down granite steps to the fishing dock. The property also features a detached, finished bonus room and workshop with covered patio, creating even more space to enjoy this peaceful property. Situated between Medford and Grants Pass, this property is an ideal space to be able to enjoy all that Southern Oregon has to offer. Thank you for touring this property with us today.